What if I told you can start with zero money and grow a brand that people will notice? I am Orefuwa and welcome to Orefuwa, my fashion brand journey of building a bold, powerful and creative fashion brand from scratch. When I started thinking about building my fashion brand, I had zero capital, just my ideas, a curtain and my phone for filming. And honestly, it felt impossible at first. But today, I'm sharing exactly how you can start your fashion brand with nothing. No excuses, just strategy and persistence. So bring out a pen and jotter because I'm raining money worth value today for free. This video is perfect for anyone asking, how do I start a fashion brand with no money? How do I get noticed when I'm just starting out? What are the first steps I need to take before launching my brand? This is the first thing we are going to be talking about: mindset and vision. I used to imagine my designs on runway shows, stores, and people wearing my designs. I know it feels so far away, but that vision keeps me going. It keeps me motivated to keep showing up consistently. Your mindset is everything because if you don't believe in yourself that it's possible, no one else will. Start by defining your why. What exactly do you want your brand to represent? Power, confidence, freedom, or creativity? And this becomes the core of your brand story. And it costs nothing but thought and clarity. This is what you need to do right now. Write down your vision. Sketch your dream designs or your brand aesthetic. Even a simple note give your brand a foundation and something real to work towards. The next thing we are going to be talking about is researching and strategy. I spent a lot of time learning about different fashion brands and their styles, seeing what people love, what catches people's attention, and what inspires me. I didn't spend a thing because I was just browsing and watching how brands grow online. Researching is your secret weapon. You need to understand your audience, what attracts their attention, what excites them, or what they love the most, and what gap exists. Can you build a brand that stands out even without spending any money? So you need to start small, follow few brands that you admire, take note of what feels exciting or unique, and think about how you can create your own angle. If you are still watching, that tells me that you are enjoying this post and you are gaining a lot of value. So like, comment and subscribe to my channel as we continue. Let's move to the third thing we are going to be talking about: content creation without no money. I don't have a fancy camera or studio. That's why I use my phone, my curtain for background and natural lighting. And I use them to share my vision, the behind the scene moments and personal story that people can relate to. Because content is a free marketing. You can create a post that share your journey, your vision and your designs without spending a dime. What you need to focus on are consistency, authenticity and value. Even short reels, TikTok and posts can build an audience that will be ready for your launch. The fourth thing on my list that we're going to be talking about is learning and growing on your own. I haven't collaborated with anyone yet, but that has not stopped me because I'm learning everything by myself. From creating content to planning designs, one step at a time. Honestly, some days are very hard for me, but every small action I take teaches me something new. You don't need a team or money to start because you can learn, grow and experiment on your own. The key is just to showing up consistently and be willing to try, fail and learn again. Take notes, practice every day and track what works. Even small progress compounds over time. This is the fifth on my list that we're going to be talking about: small wins and mindset. Yes, mindset again. Every time someone liked, shared or commented on my post, I celebrated. Why? Because small wins kept me motivated. You will have days of zero engagement and that is very normal. But if you keep showing up, it compounds over time. You need to focus on learning, growth and consistency, not overnight success. Track your wins weekly, no matter how small it is. Because every follower, every like and comment is a proof that you are moving forward. So in conclusion, starting a fashion brand is not only possible, it's happening every single day. You just need the right mindset, strategy and consistency. So if you're ready to start your own fashion journey, comment your brand idea below. Like this video if you have learned something new today and share it with someone dreaming of starting their brand. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to follow my fashion brand Orefuwa from scratch to launch. Remember this, your vision is bigger than your budget. Start now even if it's just with your ideas.